Alright, so since the sax forks pretty much ship themselves, upgraded to KYB 48mm TE310 forks, 2012. Now these fork guards are from KTM. The earlier models, I think it's 2011 to about 2017. This brake caliper adapter is from Boano. Bolt straight on. Caliper sits nice. All the spacers are still original beater. The axle's original. Started in right sides. Now the bolts for the guards are straight out of the beater with the same spacers. Perfect fit. The wheel is offset very slightly, but you can hardly notice it. Apart from that, just going to test them out, hoping for a very big improvement. Update shortly.